Welcome to this video. We're going to be doing a lift tour in two different places, Feltham and Hounslow. This is a replacement intro since I kind of mucked it up and didn't get things right, but enjoy the video. Noah's with us. He won't really be on video, but he will be talking in the background and stuff. So yeah, let's get on with the video. There aren't many lifts here, but we'll get straight onto the video right now. So the first lift will be in Matterland here. So yeah, let's go. Right, here's the first one. Otis Gen 2. Is it Gen 2? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's the classic one. Oh yeah, the green button there. Oh yeah. This is my most favourite part about these, especially.
This lift is
2006.
so it's like 18 years old.
Yeah, not bad actually. Still in a really good condition. Now, if I am really honest here, Otis do, gotta say, the best probably models of Otis Gen 2s, especially this one, 18 years old and it's still in a great condition. Escalators.
It's an Otis escalator.
Ah. Back down the stairs. Now we are walking over to the next shop. Now this lift is not great at all, if I'm honest. Right, on to our next lift now. There's no indicator. Do not like lifts without indicators. Yeah. Just doesn't feel right. Oh, it's here. Oh, it's this type of lift. Oh, yeah, these. Oh, Oakland, yeah, they got that funny little voice as well. Oaklands, huh? There's not really much to say about it, although the Dewhurst buttons, they're just cheap buttons, and it's Oakland is just not a great company. If I'm honest, they're known as a generic company, which meaning bad and not so good quality lifts.
The door's a bit shaky. Here it is. Look.
What a bad lift. I'd give that one 5 out of 10. No, 4 out of 10. Could they definitely do a lot more work on that one. I know the levelling is very slow indeed, and it definitely does stop. It just stops for like a few, like at least like good 15 seconds. And yeah, right, next one is Sports Direct. However, lift is out of service, so we will not be doing Sports Direct. Sad. Oh. Lift's also in there, but we're not allowed to enter because obviously it's private. The next one's not private, but yeah. I think there's also one in Travel Lodge as well. Yes, there is.
What is it?
I think it's an Eco Disc, but these are also some
It's a normal one.
Eco Discs as well.
But they're faster one.
What, these ones or those?
Oh, this lift doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't. Oh, here we go.
But these ones are a faster version.
Yeah.
I'll count 3 meters a second, 4 meters a second, 5 meters a second, 6 meters a second, 7 meters a second.
Yes. So this one is quite a good model actually.
It's around like 6.5 meters a second.
Yeah, not too bad actually. They are definitely better than the ones in Travel Lodge actually. Are we going back down? Oh yeah. Go to a different floor.
We're going to go to Hounslow after.
Yes, of course. This is Feltham, and then next will be Hounslow.
There's some big eco discs in the Hounslow.
Oh yeah, I've heard because I've been there before actually.
There's some lifts.
There was also one in this weird little foreign shop as well.
There's one in
that's
the
by like the western end of Hounslow.
There's a lift in the Trello Centre as well.
Oh yeah, Treaty Centre. Get a good view from here actually.
Go on, I'll get a door shot. second.
A floor.
No, I'm going to keep this in. Just going to set it on
Yeah.
all floors. Right.
Right then, so jumping on the 1172 Hounslow. Unfortunately, it's not a Satara, it's an MMC. But at least we're able to get on it though.
Yeah, DD 69 and forward. Alright, clap.
As you probably know, Route 117 is pretty much always packed, and there's another version of Route 235, but we safely made it to Hounslow. Right, we have made it to Hounslow, indeed.
Yeah, I mean, Hounslow for the Hounslowsians. Yeah, Hounslow means Hounslow. Death to Ealing, death to Hillingdon.
There are lifts on the trees and I don't know where.
So we're heading over to the Treaty Centre, and I do not like it at all. It's really, really bad. You'll see in a minute how bad it actually is. And this is kind of it. Yeah, this is it. Not liking this at all. It looks like the roof hasn't even been finished either. Oh man. Right, the next lift is in here. Reaching in. Unfortunately, I'm having to do a voiceover here due to copyright music. At first, we thought the lift was broken, but it wasn't, and at least it works, so we get to ride it. Yay. EcoDisc. This is a really nice one. Oh, there, look at what they had in here.
Someone's nicked it.
This is a 2014 one.
So it's 10 years old. 13 persons for this lift.
It's 10 years old, so happy birthday to this lift. Oh, this EcoDisc. Another thing to be honest about, Kones do some very good quality lifts indeed, especially EcoDiscs. The next set of lifts are located at a car park. Oh dear.
Doors closing.
Oh, this voice. Oh, look, that's the company.
It's only one person.
Where's it? Oh, yeah.
2011 lift.
Oh, yeah.
Shaken.
Oh, yeah, it is a little bit as well.
Who's holding them? Can I see?
6th floor. Doors opening.
Right. Right, what do we get doors?
Doors closing.
Damn it, one door.
Oh, yeah.
One door is bigger than the other one.
Zero. Doors opening.
Oh, bad buttons. Oh. Yeah.
They just haven't changed the buttons on this one.
Oh yeah, it's the same as well, just lighter. Thank you for visiting Treaty Centre. Did not have a pleasant experience.
Now it's Ben's.
Yeah, Blenheim Centre is next. H98 has MB4Ls. Lovely. More lifts. So whilst we're heading to the Blenheim Centre, just found some more lifts. Oh yeah, these.
It's only one floor. Might still basement.
Oh wait, basement one. I guess it's... Oh. Especially the indicators as well. There's no like outline.
13 persons.
And that's the entrance to the car park. Well, that's where you drive through. Yeah. Right.
Oh, this one's got the announcements on it.
Oh. One of them hasn't got an indicator. Well, no,
Oh, it's
the one
Jackson
outside.
Lift Group.
Oh, it's modernised
Oh,
then.
no, on a help on Jackson Lift service.
Oh. This is it. Oh. Oh, massive eco discs. 2006. Hey, 0. Looks like a broken down Gemini 2 here. Yeah, it does. Okay, that's the end of this lift tour video, guys. So thanks a lot for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos. So see you in the next one. Peace.